How to connect domain to Shopify. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to myshopify.com and then log into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to settings at the bottom left corner. Then move into domains. Well, in this section, you need to enter the domain that you want to connect. Let's say I want to add one specific domain. Move into the specific website and then move into domain. Now what you want to do is simply copy this domain. Once you have copied, go back to your previous page and then paste the domain over here. Once you have entered, tap on next. Now click on follow settings instructions. Click on manage DNS. In this page, you need to delete one of the DNS. Click on this delete icon and then click on delete record. Well, the DNS record has been deleted successfully. Now you will have to enter new record. Select the type of the record, enter the name, value and the TTL. Once you have entered, tap on save. Well, new DNS record has been added. Now once again you have to enter one more DNS and then tap on save. It will open up a previous page. Click on verify connection. And there you go, the domain has been connected successfully. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can connect domain on Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.